How to record video on your smartphone for beginners in 2022 updated guide. 1. Prepare your content. So you have to prepare your content before you record. However, make sure you write down your points and you research your points as well. So your topic, your topic, and write down your points, and write down your points and information in point form, and make sure you also you script your video before record. So very script. We also your video as well. We first your points first before you come to that you know what is your avoid, and you will not end up just rambling and just go on camera and basically do not know what to talk about. Also, guys, bonus tip here. Bonus tip for all guys when preparing your content. And bonus tip now is to use a resource that use tools that apps to help you help you be productive in preparing your content and writing up your scripture video. Now guys, if you guys want to know what are my resources and scripts tools I use to prepare my content, and we'll put that in the description box below for you guys. So all that being said, guys, that is the first point. Select a location. So all guys, you want to make sure that your location you select suit or line up with the background of your content or your video ideas. Basically, whatever your video content about you're doing. Example, if you're doing an educational video, where you'll be doing sit down, or you're doing an educational content video style where you're talking about a topic, you want to have a background studio to line up or suit with the education content of the video. So if you're doing a cooking video, or you're doing a cooking video how to cook this food, or you cook using a cooking recipe video, you really use a kitchen background setting. You do not go and use a gym setting for a cooking video, because or a mall setting for you. Because it will not make sense. You not suit that two backgrounds do not suit the cooking video. You not give your cooking video the feel of your video or your audience or your feel. So make sure your video what you're doing have the suitable and proper background setting. Also, guys, make sure your background setting you do not have less noise of any noise or any airplane flying over making any noise airborne, because it will be hard. Your viewers will not be able to hear what you are saying or talking about in the video. If you don't have a huge noise, make sure you have no noise at all. Also make sure you do not have a less noise in the video and not too much noise. So make sure you have a quiet background with no less noise, so you not have any noise over your audio in your background, so you're able to clearly hear what you are saying in your video. So I'll be saying, guys. So guys, yeah, also one more last tip: make sure you do not have any music audio in the background as well. Okay, even I will cancel out over your voice, so you're not able to even hear when speaking. So, that is that are the three things you have to consider and make sure you don't have by doing when you're using your in a location for your video. Camera, front camera or rear camera. So, the next step is to decide if you're using your face camera or selfie camera, or if you're using the main one, which is the camera at the back of your device. So if you are using a back camera, make sure that you use the camera properly, because there are some that make sure you bring properly the camera, because the camera is a good way to use the back, but make sure there are some pros and cons of using the back camera. Here are some tips and technique you can use when filming with your smartphone. So guys, if you want me to make a video on some tips and technique to use, let me know. I'll make a follow-up video. Next point is about the position. The next step is to position your phone. The position your phone and stable it. Stable the phone. So make the phone a stable position, and do not hold your phone outright. It is a worse position to hold your phone. The video will make the video look shaky or blurry to your viewers, and will not able to make out to understand what the video is about. But however, if you do not hold your phone while moving, because you can also use a tripod stand to take a selfie stick to take off the chicken. So if you is moving about record video and have to move about with your phone to record the video, start your phone to a selfie stick, so use it as a video. That way it will reduce and move away some of the shakiness of the video of your phone. So guys, that is the 4 tips I got right, guys, and that is it, the 4 tips. So see you guys next week Wednesday, and guys, I will be making up a follow-up video to this video. So I'm making a separate video where I will be making a follow-up video which is available to this video, which will be a follow-up video, and one tips to film your phone, like to film your smartphone as a pro. So if I know about tips and technique to use to film your phone, I will be making a follow-up video to that. So see you guys next week Wednesday, and come out next week I will be uploading a video. Alright guys, so alright, see you guys in the next video. Got even lovely people and got lovely people. Guys, I hope this video helped you guys. If it helped you guys, tap the like button, and I'll see you guys next week Wednesday. Next Wednesday, I will come to the end of video or to record video on a smartphone. I hope this video help a guy understand how to for beingness. So if other guys enjoy the video and you find value in this video and really help you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys next week Wednesday for another educational video.